Okay, so this is the fruit plate I made. It's have kiwi, fruit, and few grapes, and few big red cherry, and I added some red chili and little of chaat masala. It tastes really good. You should try it if you have not. So I start my vlog with morning skincare, and I'm using electrocalamine face lotion, and it's suitable for oily skin and acne prone skin. And I have both type of skin. I have acne too, and I have open pores, pimple, and oily skin. So as you can see, I'm showing you that I have pimple on under my chin. So next product will be Johnson's Baby Rice and Milk Cream. It's very gentle on skin, that's why I'm using, and it's give me really good soft fluffy texture, or say skin texture on my face. Okay, so then I'm using Amritam Balam is mixture of rose that's give nice cooling effect, and it really creamy texture that give you a little bit of oily texture, but it's not oily. So if you use this, don't mind to texture, no, don't mind the texture, and it's really nice on skin. It's gave me really like a glass looking skin. So yeah. As you can see, I done my kajal has eyeliner is look good really on me. And I'm using this Shingar Astika on my forehead between my eyes, and I'm sorry if I'm looking back because it's felt like a noise there. So yeah.
So this is the lip balm or lip gloss I'm going to use. This is in shade caramel flavor, and this red one is berry. Now what I'm going to do is to mix match, because this the red one is little bit dark in my skin tone. So I will take a little drop a little drop on my, just like this, and then I will take this caramel flavored too. Okay, now I will mix this together. It's giving me a little brown tone. If I think that this is less for me, then I will add a little more red lip balm on it. So this is the way it's look. Okay. So it's enough for me. So this is just a simple makeup. I have not used any foundation, concealer, compact. I just applied a kajal, a lip balm. Just I show you, and a shringar. People say has tika. So this is my look. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to wear today. Is this skirt and this t-shirt. So this is the combination I'm going to use. So I will change and show you to you. So wait a minute. Okay, so this is how it's look. This is how I look in this skirt. Maybe I should wear some dupatta on it, or maybe or not. Let's check it. Now it's look good now with this. So, did you like it, or did you like it without the dupatta? Comment down below. So let me know, okay? Cheese. So I'm making lunch.
So right now I'm making lunch. Lunch is like dal rice and some potato and onion and bangan is in Hindi way. Aloo, bangan and matar ki sabzi, of course. And I'm preparing to make dal. So yeah, enjoy the ASMR. Just trying to get something to watch while eating. And really, I want to ask you that. Do you also watch TV or any series on any mobile while eating anything, noodles and food and any meal? Let me know in the comment section below.
Okay, so I have this clips, small ones, bunny ones. So let's do something with it, style it for a while. Not for too long, but for a while. So I will pick these two color, just like pink and white. And then I want this creamy and this of white. Okay, so in the mirror, so I will take out this small section just enough. Okay. So I will take this pin, click on it, and place it over here. Okay, then I will place the another one back. So this is how it looks. Okay, so let's do the other side. Okay, take the section and I will secure it with clip. Right here and another one just like okay. So this is how it's look. It's some weirdo. I don't know how it's look. Can you tell me? Okay, let's try another time. a rough thing. Okay, and lastly, but not least, I don't know. This is one. Tell me. So let me show you. Look good.
Okay, so it's night time. I'm not shoot any video for any night. I forgot to shoot because all my families was at home and I don't want to run the moment of family time. That's why I have not done it. So I'm brushing my teeth here and I'm doing the exact same skincare I did at morning. So I hope this video is entertaining for you, and if it does, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share with your friends, and I will share my ukulele channel under description. You can check it out and tell me if you learned something from that. So see you in the next video. Bye.